Understand those rights and the options they give you? All right, so what she's asking me to do is take, no operator's license on person please, dismiss the 2 drove while license suspended and the unregistered vehicle charge. That's the way you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. And good morning. Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
All right. I'm trying to figure out what I got. I got paperwork I got to match up. Give me just a second. Okay, I'm gonna send you back to talk to the prosecutor because we got 4 open files on you. 3 of them are Romulus that you talked to the prosecutor about today. One of them was a Van Buren file, so it wasn't, I don't know why.
I know. Next week for you guys too.
Sorry, Judge, what did you have for Mr. Wrench?
I'm showing 4 files, 3 Romulus. 2 of them are drove while license suspended. 1 is unregistered vehicle, but we've also
Right.
got a February 2022 Van Buren drove while license suspended.
Oh, I didn't realize he had that one. Yeah, send
I
it
didn't
back
think-
and we'll
I
deal
didn't
with that
think
one
you
too.
did. So
Or,
we'll
you know,
send you
Judge,
back.
can we dismiss the Van Buren one because he's dealing with the Romulus ones? Is that okay?
Okay with you?
Yeah, let's just do
Yes,
that,
we
Judge.
can.
That's
Thank
fine.
you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that, sir.
Thank you, Madam Prosecutor.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
Okay, so that was dismissed. All right, so the paperwork says that you're going to plead on 2 of these charges. You're going to plead to no valid operator's license on person.
Yes.
Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Could result in some more sanctions from Secretary of State. You understand that? All right, won't be points, but they could suspend you some longer time. All right, and did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
Understand those rights and the options they give you? All right, so what she's asking me to do is take, no operator's license on person please, dismiss the 2 drove while license suspended and the unregistered vehicle charge. That's the way you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. On September 3rd, 2024, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? And on October 26th, 2024, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? In both of those dates, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right, I'll accept your plea to the added charges. I'll dismiss all 3 of these original charges. Are you working? Where? How long?
Training for construction, start construction.
What kind of construction?
It's company Aerostar.
Aerostar.
Concrete.
Okay. All right. So are you full-time with Aztec?
Yes.
Good. You're just looking for a better job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, getting my license back. My record from there, I was taking a lot of these on license. You guys are, we see y'all old cars and.
We're the last ones?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, yeah. I got everything.
Okay.
He gave me, I think this court date happened.
So how close are you to getting a license?
It says I only got 2 more tickets from you guys, and once I pay those 2, I'm fully licensed. I paid 5 for the first, 2 for the phone.
All right. Oh, man, you lost lots of money. So the only thing that's stopping us from his license is no proof of insurance, right? That's the only thing we're defaulting on now?
And the no insurance, he has 2 of those. The no insurance,
Yeah,
$498.
so that's $1,000.
That's not.
But there's also says he's got one that needs to be arraigned. Was that the Van Buren one? What was the Van Buren file on it?
Yes, this Van Buren file is the wrong file. This one, we need another Van Buren. file.
Ending in 77?
Yeah.
That's the one that says it needs to be arraigned.
Yeah.
What's that?
I think that was in GWLS as well.
So he had more than one DWS conviction.
D. Anthony Leonard's, warrant range, Yep, thank you.
He's got this live DWS from Vancouver.
This, they disposed it, but this one, it was like 580.
Obviously, this one will be, when you don't sleep.
There was allocated, this one was a
You
plea,
didn't really make it down here.
right, so,
All right, so that's, this file is included in this balance yield.
yes,
So the other four were dismissing.
yes, the other question.
Okay, all right. Did you catch all that?
Yeah.
They sent up one file that you've already been sentenced on. I thought that was the open file and dismissed that one. Now we're fixing it. We're dismissing the one that you've never done anything on
Okay.
as per the prosecutor. And the other ones included in that big balance I'm looking at right here was 2350.
Okay.
All right. All right. So what it looks like here, am I right, ladies? If he pays the $1,000, then we can free him up to go get his license straight.
Yes.
Because it's just the no insurances.
Yeah,
So the only thing that stopped, from our standpoint, the only thing that's stopping you from getting your license reinstated is those two.
right.
Because
Yeah.
we won't clear you. I mean, we'll work with payments on the other stuff, but we won't clear you to get your license until those are paid.
So I have to pay that.
Yeah, this is all money you owe. Up the 2350, I haven't sentenced on today's. The 2350, that's all money you owe this court. Of the 2350, 1,000 is for no insurance charges. The no insurance charges are the only ones that are stopping you from getting your license. Okay, right? So do you have any idea how soon you can get that paid so you can go get valid driving privileges?
I would say, excuse me, the max 2 months, just because I got
Okay.
bills in my
Okay.
everyday life, man.
All right,
And then I'm still paying on Detroit, and I'm paying on like 3 counties.
okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a note. I'm gonna send you downstairs to set all this up. I'm gonna make a note that you're gonna set up a payment plan or payment arrangements, okay? The note's gonna say the first 1,000 we get, clear the no insurance. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So currently, what kind of shift are you working?
Overnight, I do 10 p.m. to sometimes it's 10 p.m. to 6, but it's 7 p.m. to 8 all the time. I mean 7 a.m.
Okay.
When I get off there.
Okay. But you're working right here in Romulus.
275.
So you could be here at 8 o'clock in the morning? All right, so here's my deal. On these two files, normally what I would do on this type of a deal is $500 fines. Well, let me see. Usually for you, it'd be $650 because you got late fees. I'll throw that out. All right. So usually what I do is $500 and 4 days on our court work program on each of these files. So another $1,000 on that 2350. If you want to work a couple extra days, I'll give you 6 days on each file. You just do work program without a problem, and I won't hit you any more money on these two.
6 days of work program.
So it'd be 12 days total, but I won't give you any more money on these two files.
Yeah, what is it from like 8 to what?
Usually you're back here by 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It's usually a 6 or 7 hour workday. So you're gonna have a couple sleepless days. You're working just Monday through Fridays, or how you doing it?
7 days, and then with this
Don't get me wrong. I'll give you the straight 4 days per file and fines and costs and just work with you on payments. But I'm just giving you an option so it's not more money out of your pocket because you said you're paying 3 counties.
like I said, with the county land, I'm in training right now.
I hear you.
That I basically just quit the training.
I'm just trying to give you options, brother.
And if I don't do 6 days of work program, I will still have to do it still even with adding fees, less
Days and more and money.
days.
It's normally $4 plus fines and costs. But I'm giving you the option of more days and no fines and costs.
But I'm saying, take fines and costs, it'd just be like 3 days.
It's 4 days and on each file, my norm is 4 days and $500. I'm waiving the $150 late fees on each files, just because I know you're working to clean things up. So I'm giving you that $300 grace. And I don't care which option you take, 4 days and 500 or 6 days and no money. You want a few minutes to think about it? That's all right. I got a lot of work. You can come back up.
I just need 4 days of time.
Okay.
Just in case they put me on 7 days.
You don't have to justify, guy.
And
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
What began as a normal morning commute quickly turned into a terrifying road rage encounter. A woman testified that a driver aggressively followed her off the highway, pulled alongside her vehicle, and pointed a gun in her direction. According to her testimony, the driver mouthed the chilling words, "I will shoot you." Despite the brief encounter, she told the court she was 100% certain